evening. How are you doing, Harshri?
How are you doing?
I'm doing great too. Thank you so much. So, are you back from school?
No, I don't have school right now. My school will reopen at 7 July.
Reopen on 7th or at 7th?
On 7.
Yes. Okay, nice to know that. I think we are meeting for the first time. Why don't you tell me something about you?
Okay, so my name is Ashri Kapoor. I'm 9 years old. I study in grade 4 and my hobbies are to do swimming, skating, reading and painting.
Wow, that's absolutely wonderful. You're a jack of all trades and very
Thank you.
sporty. Very sporty, skating and swimming.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm joining you from Bangalore, and I'm a certified communications coach and a certified content writer. And I've been teaching students to help them improve their English communication since the past 5 years. That's about me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So tell me, what do you love about swimming?
In swimming, I love when you go inside the water and it's cool. Then you jump out of the water quickly to just get some heat and then you go back inside.
Okay. So are you a good swimmer now? What are the strokes that you've learned so far?
I'm not good at swimming.
You
Means
started?
no, it's been 2 years. I think yeah, it's 1 year. It's
Mm-hmm.
been 1 year for me since I have started swimming. In my school, they teach it. So our swimming teacher never keeps an eye on me. They two, so they keep eye on the other side because I always stay away from the reef because they might scold me. I get scared. So
Oh,
I try just doing it myself, and
mm-hmm.
sometimes I learn, and I learned it.
You learned it. Yeah. It's something, a skill that will stay forever. So just needs a little more practice every day and smart you keeping away from the eyes of the teacher.
Yes, ma'am. So
Oh,
I literally got it on that day.
great. Very good. So, how's your daily routine like now in the holidays?
For holidays, I don't even have a proper daily routine. I don't keep a daily routine on holidays.
Go with the
I'm
flow, enjoy.
yes.
Did you go on any vacation
No,
or a
I
trip
don't go anywhere.
or a
I
picnic?
stay at home.
You stayed at home? Okay,
Yes.
all right. So, then, what did you do? What did you indulge in? What was your pastime during holidays?
Means since 3 years I went nowhere. So I'm at home. I'm doing normal thing. I'm just enjoying. Means I'm doing anything. I'm playing, watching TV, sometimes studying. Like I don't feel to study.
You don't feel like, right?
Yeah, it's you should be free. I feel like actually free. Why not? Means why not play? Why can't you play? Why not study? It's the vacations. The school is also study, and in the vacations we have to study. But I'm lucky for that. That
Mm-hmm.
school doesn't give us that writing work. We only get projects.
Nice. Lucky you. I just wish we swapped places here.
That happens when I tell somebody.
Yeah, and it is so nice to do your own stuff, to be at ease, to get up at your own sweet time, to be relaxed. Yes,
Yes.
nice. But how is it otherwise during school days? Is it quite, clock is ticking all the time?
Yes. You are. You don't get time to relax, but still I'm lucky for that also. My mother
Mhm.
doesn't tell me because I'm in a day boarding school and they give us homework that in the prep we do it.
Oh, so you come back and again you don't have anything much to do, right? Because you've
Yeah,
already finished that.
we just
Right?
have to just take a look at it. Just read it. Not even revise, just read it once.
Just read it. Great. And what are the projects that you have been assigned now in the holidays? Was it interesting? Is it science related or what is it about?
Actually, I didn't even start one right now. Everything is based on research and all. I read it once.
Okay, all right. So, what are the projects that you are expected to finish, and how would you go about it? Do you take printouts? Do you take the help of, you make some working model of something, or what is the project about? Is it just an assignment or a presentation that you prepare?
It's a presentation. I'll prepare it. I can take printouts. It's based on that how our art skills are, how much we know, how much we
Hmm.
learn. So
Hmm.
we just have to make it on our own. They see how creative and independent we are.
Wow. So, what do you do? Do you take the help of any AI platforms, or you just do your work on your own? Because I think you need to be a little creative.
Yes, means drawing and the ideas I get on my own.
Hmm?
But when you it is based on research. So research I'll do from AI.
Oh,
I
nice,
use phone for
nice.
that.
Great, great. Do you love animals?
Yes, I do.
Can you tell me something about what you love about them, or what are the types of animals that we have? We have domestic and wild animals.
So I like kittens basically because
Okay.
they're so adorable. They just
Hmm.
lie on the floor sometimes playing with that stuff, sometimes
Mhm.
messing up things and all, and funny.
Right. How about the tiger from the cat family? Is it adorable or ferocious?
It's ferocious.
Ferocious, right? Yes. But they share the same traits, like they belong to the same cat family. They have similar features.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, they have, but
Mm-hmm.
a cat doesn't eat human. It literally eats small things because it's small in size, and a tiger is at least big, so it
Hmm.
can eat a human easily.
Yes.
They can
Yes.
eat anything. They eat anything which has flesh.
Very true. So, you know the word ferocious, right? That means dangerous and wild.
Yes,
Yes. And some animals are docile. They're very submissive. No, they accept control. If you teach them, if you train them, they're okay. So maybe a
like
cat,
dog.
like dog. Yeah?
A dog is like much better than a cat
Yeah?
because it's literally for its safety also.
Hmm. So I taught you a word called docile. What did I say it meant?
It's not dangerous.
Not dangerous. Yes, absolutely. Yeah? Okay. Can you name some animals which got extinct?
Species of animal that is gone and never comes back.
Yes, we don't have them anymore. We cannot find them on the earth.
Dinosaurs,
Okay. Are you afraid of any animal? Any domestic
yes,
animal? Yeah?
yes,
Which one?
dogs.
Oh, okay. They are so cute.
Sometimes they get crazy,
Yes.
and cats also.
Yeah. And especially if you just try to, get too cozy and sometimes even dogs, all of a sudden, they rush onto you and they pounce upon you.
They sometimes they bite.
They bite. And that could be dangerous as well.
Yes.
So tell me, how do you pass your time after coming back home from your school on a daily basis?
Once I reach home, I
Mm-hmm.
I wash my hands. I keep my clothes. I wear my home clothes. Then some I mostly read a book or I just do painting and all.
Yeah, you told me about painting. Do you like to sketch or do you have some specific interest in any particular type of paint? Like there's oil painting, there's canvas painting, there's different kinds, right?
Yes, I like means I like canvas painting. I never did. I once did it. Yeah, I once did it. But
Otherwise, you do it in your book.
learned it.
Hmm.
But that didn't go that well because it what happened. I
Mm-hmm.
think I added too much water and the water was spreading. It looked beautiful, very dry, but
Hmm.
it was not the thing that I wanted to make.
Oh, it didn't turn out the way you expected it to, right?
Yes,
Hmm. Okay, so have you been learning how to paint and how to draw, or you're just trying it on your own?
I'm just trying it on my own.
Great. And you also mentioned to me that you do some skating.
Yes, I do skating,
What kind of skate? Is it
roller
normal
skates.
skates, roller skates? Yeah.
Yes,
What's your speed like?
I don't know my speed. I just sometimes I'm too fast,
Uh-huh.
sometimes I'm too slow.
Okay, that's amazing. I don't know how to skate. I know how to swim though, but I wished I had done something like this when I was younger. It's too late for me now. What do you think?
It depends on you. Can you do it? But it's never too late. Try again.
Wow, you are something amazing, Ashi. Let me tell you that.
Thank you.
Yeah. And I didn't expect the answer that it's never too late. Please try from your side. Okay. All right. So, is there any fascinating story that you'd like to narrate to me that you love reading over and over again and you resonate with you feel connected with the main character of the story? See, when we say name of it, title of it, no. The title of the story was, the name of the story was.
So the title of the story was Cunning Eve. So once upon a time there was a girl named Eve. She she was very cunning. Means she
Hmm.
was very clever
Mm-hmm.
and smart. One day when she was walking through the forest,
Mm-hmm.
means to go to a village where there were where there was a market in which they sold bread. She was on her way there.
Hmm.
Just then, four thieves came there and
Hmm.
said, "Give
Hmm.
us all the money." She said, "A, a luck teller, a fortune teller said that only a blindfolded man can kill me."
Okay.
So all the four thieves blindfolded their eyes and she ran away.
Ah, she
And she
used
ran
all her.
away. You may continue.
Yeah, she used all her wisdom to get away, right?
Yes.
Okay, what's the moral of the story?
I got this message that you should know when to use your brain. The four thieves never used their brain. They just blindfolded their eyes without even using their brain.
Yeah.
They listened to their body. The
ab-
body said that you should blindfold your eyes. We have to kill it, but the brain said no. That happened.
Absolutely. When you say you should do this, you can say one should use his brain, right? Because you're telling me what has happened. So one should use his or her brain and try to get out of a tricky situation using some common sense. Yes,
Yes,
very good.
that's the moral.
I'm so impressed with you. You talk very nicely and you express things. That's
Thank
good.
you.
There are a few things that you can pick up on new words, what they mean, right? Instead of learn, you can say, I infer this from the story, right? Instead of
Yes.
saying a mild animal, you can say a docile animal, right? Or does like that. So, new words, whenever you learn, you can use them. Can I teach you some idiom?
Yes, I
Yeah.
know four.
Yeah. Which are the ones?
The first one is break the ice.
Starting a conversation, right?
Yes. I don't
If
know what
some,
is starting, but I knew four.
yeah. If something is very easy, you can say it is a piece of cake for me.
Yes, that I know.
Okay. If you're asking someone, wishing them all the best for their exams or any performance, you can say, go break a leg.
Yes.
That doesn't mean literally to go and break a leg, but it is good luck. And if some of your friend has given out a secret in front of others, we say she spilled the beans.
Yes, that I know, ma'am.
You know?
Yes, I use that sometimes.
Okay. Can you make a sentence with break a leg?
When I was going for the race,
Hmm.
then my best friend just waved the hand and said, "Go break a leg."
Wow. That's nice. I think we have come to the end of the class today. Is it time?
Yes, it is.
Did you enjoy?
Yes,
Did
I
you learn?
enjoyed it.
Yes. Did you learn something?
Yes,
Okay. So try to use some idioms, some new words that you have learned. Okay. And be yourself. You are very energetic and a very lively girl. I really enjoy talking to you. And what you could do is you can try to narrate your stories a little more. You can extend them, right? You
yes,
can elaborate on them. That is what I mean, right? So you can develop your skills that way of talking for a longer time. Yeah.
yes.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.